Hello and welcome to Delectable Flavors. In today's recipe, I will show you how you can make simple syrup. To make simple syrup, you will need half a cup of water and half a cup of sugar. You need equal portions of both water and sugar. The water also has to be hot. So what I'm going to do is add in my sugar into my water, and I'm going to give it a good mix. You can mix with a spoon or any utensil you have at home, a fork, anything works. I'm going to give this a good mix until the sugar is dissolved into the water. I usually use simple syrup to coat my cakes on usually all my cakes because I like to save my cakes and ice them at a later date. So these really help lock in the moisture in the cake. So all I'm going to do is get my brush. You could also use a squeeze bottle or make your own bottle by getting a water bottle or a pop bottle and poking holes in the lid. And then you could just squeeze on the syrup. But I like to use a brush because I find a brush is more controlled. So all I'm going to do is give a generous brush of simple syrup on my cake. If you do not want to use half a cup of sugar because you find it too sweet, feel free to add less. I have found that even if you add less sugar, it still locks in the moisture and does a pretty good job. And don't worry, simple syrup will not make your cake soggy. It will just help make your cake more moist. I'm going to save this for a later use. You can save it in an airtight container, or if you are using a bottle and poked holes in the lid, you can just keep it in there. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please do subscribe, share, and like for new recipes every Thursday. Until next week, bye!